Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's going to make your travel experiences smoother and more enjoyable. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a road trip warrior, or an occasional vacationer, technology has revolutionized the way we travel. From high-tech gadgets to innovative apps, we're covering it all. So, buckle up and get ready for a look at how modern technology is transforming travel. First, smart luggage. Gone are the days of losing your luggage or struggling with heavy bags. Smart luggage is here to make your travel experience a breeze. Smart luggage comes equipped with GPS tracking, built-in batteries for charging your devices, and even digital locks that you can control with your smartphone. Here are some top picks. A way bigger carry-on. This sleek, durable carry-on features a built-in battery for charging your devices on the go. It's designed for both style and practicality, with a well-organized interior and a tough exterior. You can purchase directly on Away's official website and major retailers like Nordstrom. Next, Rimowa Essential Cabin S. Known for its premium build and integrated GPS tracking, this suitcase ensures you always know where your luggage is. It also boasts a sophisticated design. You can purchase directly at Rimowa's website and high-end department stores. How about BlueSmart One, a pioneer in the smart luggage industry? BlueSmart offers features like a built-in scale and an integrated battery. Check out BlueSmart's official website or Amazon. Second, let's talk travel apps. Let's explore travel apps that are essential for a smooth journey. From booking flights to finding the best local restaurants, these apps will enhance your travel experience. Here are some must-have travel apps. Let's start with Google Maps. Beyond just navigation, Google Maps provides real-time traffic updates, restaurant reviews, and even public transit information. Its offline mode is perfect for when you don't have internet access. TripIt. This app organizes your travel plans into a single, easy-to-navigate itinerary. Simply forward your booking confirmations to TripIt, and it will create a detailed schedule for you. Airalo. Ideal for purchasing data plans while you are abroad. You can simply find your destination, purchase various amounts of data, and use your phone's eSIM capabilities to connect. This allows you to have access to the web and all web-based communication apps like iMessage and WhatsApp. Keep in mind, you cannot make direct calls, they must be through one of the communication apps. Check out airalo.com for more info. Now let's talk about noise-canceling headphones. Don't forget about these. Whether you're on a long flight or a noisy train, these headphones will help you relax or focus. Here are some top noise-canceling headphones to consider. Bose Quiet Comfort 45. Known for its superior noise-canceling technology and exceptional comfort, these headphones are a favorite among frequent travelers. Sony WH-1000XM5. These headphones offer excellent sound quality and industry-leading noise cancellation, plus a long battery life. Apple AirPods Pro. Perfect for Apple users, these offer great noise cancellation and integration with other Apple devices. Have you considered language translation devices? Communicating in a foreign country can be challenging, but language translation devices are here to bridge the gap. Consider these devices. PocketTalk Translator offers two-way translation in over 80 languages with real-time translation capabilities. Langogo Genesis features real-time translation in over 100 languages and includes a built-in AI assistant. Travis Touch Plus, known for its ease of use and accurate translations in multiple languages, this device is a traveler's best friend. Finally, let's explore some miscellaneous travel gadgets that are both handy and innovative. Here are a few more items that can make your travel easier. Luminade Solar Lantern, perfect for camping or emergency situations. This solar-powered lantern is lightweight and provides ample light. Tile Pro, this tracking device helps you locate your keys, wallet, or any other item you might misplace while traveling. Travel Pillow with built-in massager. For those long flights, a travel pillow with a built-in massager can offer much-needed comfort and relaxation. And that's a wrap on our tour of technology that makes traveling easier. From smart luggage to translation devices, these innovations are designed to enhance your journey and make travel a lot more enjoyable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, let us know in the comments which tech gadgets you swear by or any that we missed. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.